What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? Today is gonna be somewhat of a different video. I want to talk to you about the CBD oil by Calm by Wellness. This is a sleep/anxiety CBD oil. If you are a newcomer over here, hey girl, hey, it's me, your girl, Mayhem Beauty, aka Nikki.
And you haven't subscribed yet? What's the problem? It's free. Buttons right down there. I'll wait for you.
If you are a Mayhem Goddess OG, go ahead and drop your crowns down below. And
welcome back to another video.
so as you can see here from the screen, it goes into a little tonic bottle. It has an eyedropper with it. Now, let's go ahead and read some of these ingredients. Now, the ingredients are all natural, if you were wondering. Ingredients include lavender, chamomile, hops, lemongrass, whole wood, orange, pine, and jasmine. You can tell a lot of these ingredients are stuff that you could pretty much grow in your garden because I do the same thing. Now, before you switch off this video, let me tell you that if you're looking to get high, I guess you want to say, from this CBD oil, that is not it. CBD oil does not contain any THC in it whatsoever. And for me, coming from the great state of Colorado, where it was first legalized, I kind of got about this much knowledge on it. So let me tell you exactly what CBD oil is. CBD oil comes from the canna plant. CBD oil does not contain any THC at all. So if you think you gonna be trying to slip this up in your mouth at work and then you gonna have a nice, great high time at work, it ain't gonna happen. THC is actually a different part of the plant. So we are just going to be talking about the oil, the CBD oil. CBD oil can be used for very many things. I'm going to be going over the health part of it and the beauty part of it. Now, I am no chemist and I am not a doctor. So, I'm going to put this disclaimer in here. If you are looking to do any type of CBD oil or natural treatment, please, I advise you, go to your dermatologist or go to your original doctor before you try any of the things that I am going to be demonstrating in this video. Y'all ain't about to get me caught up, alright? You can use a natural CBD oil for some type of pain relief. Now, coming from Colorado, I have seen the boom in this type of industry. Now, they give CBD oil to children who have epilepsy or seizures because it is known to help aid in those parts. But before you start buying stuff and say, I know somebody who got that, please consult your doctor first, alright? I ain't playing. You gonna hear me say that several times. Consult your doctor. The specific CBD oil that I have received is great for anxiety, inflammation, and insomnia. I have actually used this CBD oil for both benefits, both to help me with insomnia and anxiety, and I also put some into my beauty products as well. So I'm going to show you what I did to help with my anxiety. You can take this CBD oil right before you go to bed. It has the doses onto the little glass thing so you can see how much you actually want to take. But what I've done is you put a little bit underneath your tongue. However you go do this, whatever dose you go do, you go put this underneath your tongue and you go hold it there for 20 seconds and then you can swallow it and go about your day. Now, we all know a good beauty rest helps with bags, so they won't be puffy and you won't get the dark underneath the circles, the circle dark thingies. You won't get bags. Alright, that's what I'm trying to say. You won't get bags underneath your eyes if you get a good beauty rest. Now, I did notice when I did take this CBD oil, I felt a lot more relaxed. I had that really deep sleep. So I wasn't waking up periodically throughout the night. So if you're one of those people who wake up periodically throughout the night, I'm just going to say, make sure you drink your water ahead of time and go on ahead and, use the bathroom, go tinky poo poo, and then to the tonic, so therefore you can get that nice deep REM sleep. The reason why you hold this underneath your tongue is because underneath your tongue is where it absorbs the fastest and the best. You can also put this into any of your drinks that you like. It could be hot or cold. I decided to put mine into my tea. If you're not the whole type of person who likes to put it underneath your tongue and hold it there, you could also drink it as well. So what I did was make my favorite tea, which was green tea, which is also high in antioxidants, and I put a really small dose in there, and then after that mix it up, and then you drink it as per usual. Now I will say this as well, consult your doctor. Now I suggest if you are going to be using any of these in your tea, I would stay away from things that regulate the heart. So such as like chamomile and hibiscus tea, because this already has lavender and chamomile in it. And we all know if you have the natural form of chamomile, which is the little flowers, it tends to make you fall asleep and calm you down anyway. So I would stay away from those teas if that's what you're going to put it in. Anything that regulates the heart rate. So that would be chamomile and hibiscus tea, just to name a few. I'm so sure there's more out there, but just like I said, I'm not a chemist nor a biologist. I'm just telling you what I have learned in experience. You know your girl had to experiment, right? So I went ahead and put these in a few of my beauty products. So the first thing I did was put this into one of my favorite moisturizers. Now, CBD oil is already great for moisturizing the skin because of the fatty acids that it contains in it. So I just took a few drops and put it into my moisturizer, did my beauty routine, mix it all up together, and then wash my face, and then put it on my face, went to sleep, woke up with better looking skin. I had to do this. I had this for a week. I had to do this for a while before I started seeing results. But I did notice that my skin is tighter and brighter. And we all know that a good moisturizer with all these benefits in it gets rid of wrinkles. Now, I do also want to mention that if you want to use this on its own, you can use this on its own as well. I just want to tell you, don't say I didn't warn you. I just want to tell you that if you have very oily skin, this might not be a great idea for you to use every day, because it is an oil. So when you put it on your skin, it's going to create more oil. Now, if you have combination skin, which is what I am, I have the T-zone right here. I get oily right up in here. I kind of put more on my cheeks and underneath my chin and a little less in my T-zone. But if you are going to use this for a skin product, consult your doctor again. Now, what I also did was put this into some of my cuticle pins, and I used it as a cuticle oil because we all know fatty acids is great for moisturizing, so it did help aid in my nails and growth. I missed the clip with that, so I wasn't able to show you, but basically what you do is either you can take a drop, put it in a plate of the CBD oil, and then massage it onto your cuticles and use it that way, or you can put it in a cuticle pin and then massage it into your cuticles that way to help for your nails to grow. So the last thing I also experimented with this CBD oil was I also put this into one of my favorite conditioners. So I took one of my conditioners, my deep conditioners, because I got curly hair. And since it is such a good moisturizer, and I live in a dry state, and usually people with curly hair have much more drier hair than people with straight hair, I put a nice heaping spoonful, a nice heaping drop into my conditioner, mixed it up, And then after I mix it up, I wash my hair as usual with whatever shampoo you were going to use. So if you're going to use a moisturizing shampoo, go ahead and do that. I didn't notice a big difference between shampoos and what I use. But whatever conditioner you have, you can put that in there. And after I was done washing my hair, I put on a plastic cap with a heating cap on it, and then left it on there for 20 minutes and then washed it off. And my hair was a little bit more softer. I've only done this twice though, but I did notice my hair was a lot more softer and my curls were not as tangled as they used to be, since I do have short hair right about now. So if you're interested in this CBD oil, it is linked down below. Please consult your doctor, your dermatologist, your wizard, your priest, whoever you go to. Please consult them first before you do any of these things. If you have tried any form of CBD oil, please leave it down below. I would like to know what was your experience with it, or if you have any questions about this particular CBD oil, please feel free to write me. I will answer you back. And if you ask me anything about can you do this and you have this condition, just know I'm gonna tell you to consult your doctor. Like I said, the link is down below if you are interested, and I'm gonna say it again. Consult your doctor. Okay? And please make sure you
Share this video.
and I will see you in the next video. See you later. Bye. Mwah.